Hey Prakhar, do you think you can talk slash flirt and make any woman interested in you? Bro, even if the answer was yes, I won't say that because I'd get stabbed from here. To my left is a woman sitting with a knife who'll stab me if I say yes. But no, I don't think that's possible for anyone, bro. Women are not machines. You can't just press their buttons and they'll do what you want. That's not how flirting works. That's one of the illusions that guys will give you on the internet or wherever the else. But you can say, like, I remember when I was younger, I was 17, I was in London for a month, just hanging around, right? And I met this bulky ass dude, right? Like 6'4". Bro he was built to eat tanks. That guy could eat tanks. I'm not kidding, right? His name was Marcus. I think Marcus, yeah. So I say Marcus, he was maybe 7, 8 years old. He was 24, 25, right? I was like, Marcus, I want to get dinner. Let's go get dinner. And I'm sitting with him, talking to him about life in America. He's from Miami. He's telling me about, he's like, this is typical Miami beach board, bro. This is like, all of us look like this in Miami, this, that. And then I'm like, bro, how do you go about like women in your life? And he said, bro, with women, it's a numbers game. Like, no matter how good your game, how well you flirt and talk to people, it's a numbers game. You'll always get rejected. First of all, you need to know you will never do 10 on 10, no matter who you are. You will never do 10 on 10. There's layers to this stuff, right? So he's like, say I'm at 3 on 10, and if I get better in these small ways, and if I go talk to another woman, I'll be a 5 on 10 or a 6 on 10. And so that's how you must think about it, right? At best, what you can do is handle objections from more people who would have liked you were they aware of where you were coming from, right? Like, imagine I went with complete genuineness to 10 people. 7 of them were supposed to like my genuineness. 7 of them were supposed to fit with me. But because I communicate poorly, I got across to only 3. So even if I fix my game, even if I get better at flirting and talking and understanding people, I can max get to a 7. But you'll always have some people who will not like you. And this like truly helped 17-year-old shy, absolutely scared Prakhar back then. Because I didn't know what to do with this stuff. I was as Indian as it gets, never truly exposed. Like, my most emotional moment with a woman was fainting in front of her back then. So that night, when I spoke to him, there was this one girl I kind of had a crush on, right? This is 10 years ago now. And she was in the same residential complex as me. So I walk up to her room, I knock, I'm like, tuck, tuck, tuck. She opens, I'm like, listen, you want to go out on a date with me? Right? And she's like, okay. And I'm like, what? Like, I could not believe that was a possibility. I remember I could not believe that was a possibility. That was funny. I still remember that. I told my friends who were with me, they were like, what? Bro, that was hilarious. That was hilarious.